Alright, I keep forgetting to do this, and it's amazing.
Step off the train. I'm walking down your street again.
Only certain people will get this.
Past your door,
But you don't live there anymore.
it's years since you've been there.
Walking down the party, just like a boy.
Like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you, yeah. Like the deserts miss the rain. Could you be there? Always were 2 steps ahead of everyone. Walking behind you run. Look up at your house. I can always hear you shout down to me. Where I always
Sorry, I was checking Facebook. My bad.
and I miss you, yeah. Like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you, oh. Like the deserts miss the rain. Back on the train, that's why did I come again? Can I confess, I've been hanging
Oh. Alright, here's Mike. Ready? Ready? Ready?
And I miss you, like the desert is burning. And I miss you, yeah, like the desert is burning. You know it. There's not really rain in there. But
They do. They do. It's true. Okay, so now let's just go through all of my ringtones, shall we? Let's do that. Yeah, yeah.
I'm alright.
You know what? Yeah. I don't like the rest of it, so. This is what wakes me up in the morning because it gets me up and gets me through my day. It does.
I'm your prettiest I've ever seen. You're like a goddess with some serious issues. Your baggage is 100 kinds of cute.
Well, you know.
I know there's more to me. That's why I'm singing this song. I know you know. I'm just showing you I've known all along. How could you know?
How could you know, Jeff? You don't. You don't know that I have issues. I just like that.
You know I have a memory.
Oh, shit.
Right on top of the bookshelf. That's working.
No, what are you doing?
Not even if Jack puts it up, look up, Mama. Yeah, and usually start, you can start backing. So, like, you're an articulate young child. That's after I say your childbearing hips.
Yes, I do have this. I think it's really attractive. I don't know why.
You know I'd have a memory. No, I would hope not. No, not if you ever. Oh, maybe. And all like, well, there you go. Like that.
I love that Bobby thinks that that's a possibility. I love it. It's so cute.
That was I'm building a bridge at first. Building a bridge. By the way, we just
Oh my god, it's so funny.
you were right on the bridge now. That would work. I'm like, congrats. That was like the contract. I don't know, you tell me. We need your dollars. Get away from the window.
Get away from the window. Hey, get away from the window. My doggy's saying hi. Come here, Callie. Come here. Come here. Come here, sweetie. Come here, sweetie. Come here. Come here. Come say hi to the people. Come here. Come here. Oh, you come in here because you heard people talking, didn't you? You don't like it. You don't like. Here, let's listen to Mike. Okay. You know it. You know it. Do they? They do. Oh, I love this one too.
It's in my room. It's under my desk. My room is. I don't know if you want to go back in. No, I just have about 25 wrappers in one of those. I didn't count it. But,
Ah, yeah. All right. Oh, and the last one. The other one.
like a sort of talking.
All right, that's all of them that I have, and I love every one. Bye. 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 Bye.